How to Fix Gmail Not Receiving Emails 2026 Full Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Gmail not receiving emails step by step. Let's get started. First, open Gmail and check your inbox. If you're not receiving emails, don't worry. Here are the best fixes. Method 1. Check Spam folder. Go to the Spam folder. Sometimes emails are automatically filtered there. If you find your email, open it and tap Not Spam. Method 2. Check storage space. If your Google account is full, you won't receive new emails. Go to your Google account storage and make sure you have free space. Delete unnecessary files if needed. Method 3. Check filters and blocked addresses. Go to Settings, then See All Settings, then Filters and Blocked Addresses. Make sure no important emails are being blocked or filtered. Method 4. Update Gmail app. Open the Google Play Store, search for Gmail, and update it if a new version is available. Method 5. Check sync settings. Go to your phone's Settings, then Accounts, then Google, then make sure Gmail Sync is turned on. Method 6. Disable email forwarding. In Gmail settings, go to Forwarding and POP/IMAP. Make sure email forwarding is turned off or set correctly.